Okay, we just did some mowing with the CRZ-428, and now that we're done, I'm going to clean off the deck, and I just wanted to share that process. So let's take a look and see how dirty we are. Actually, it looks pretty good under there. So the first step is I took the deck and I dropped it down to its lowest setting, and I made sure we were all mowed up. Ideally, if you have pavement, that would be the best surface, but I wanted to keep it level. So there it is, and there's our quick connect fitting. Okay, I'm a really big fan of these quick connects, by the way. I just recently discovered how much easier they can make your life, especially with a valve. So I got the on-off valve, one hand, and that goes on. I'll turn that on, and then PTO is on high. Recommended time is 1 minute. Hey, and I'm watering some plants also. Okay, now you can turn that off, disconnect, and we'll raise the deck back up. Let's take a look and see if we can see a difference on that. It'll keep the mung from collecting anyways. But it does say right in the manual, don't use a pressure washer. So for now, this is the method that I'm going to stick with. Manufacturer recommended to clean the deck.